Hello students, today we will start Mathematics Olympiad Prep Guide for class 4 and today we will discuss chapter 6, that is data handling, and now we will discuss self test 1 of chapter 6. So our first question is, the following pictograph shows the number of apples sold by a fruit seller during a week. Study the pictograph and answer the following questions. Each apple represents 50 apples. So in this question, first of all we will find the number of apples on each day. Okay, so number of apples on each day is equal to क्या होगा 50 multiply 4, that is equal to 200. Okay, because each represents 50 apples, so number of apples on Monday is equal to 200, number of apples on Tuesday is equal to 100, and number of apples on Wednesday is equal to 300, and number of apples on Thursday is equal to same 300, and number of apples on Friday is equal to 200, and number of apples on Saturday is equal to 150, and number of apples on Sunday is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, is equal to 400. Okay, so now our first question is, how many more apples were sold on Friday than on Tuesday? Okay, so in this question, number of apples sold on Friday, first of all we will find the number of apples sold on Tuesday, then we will compare. Okay, so number of apples sold on Friday is equal to क्या 200. Okay, 200. Number of apples sold on Friday 200, and number of apples sold on Tuesday is equal to 100. Okay, 100. then more apples is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, more apples sold on Friday than on Tuesday is equal to क्या होगा 200 minus 100. Is it clear? So our right answer is 100. So 100 is in option B. So option B is the right option for question number 1. Now our next question is question number 2. Which day had the maximum sale? It means कि which day had the more number of apples. So Monday 200, 100, 300, 300, 200, 150, 400. So maximum number of apples on Sunday. So Sunday had the maximum sale. So Sunday is in option A. So option A is the right option for question number 2. Now next question is question number 3. On how many days the sale was less than 200? Sale was less than 200. So less than 200. No, Monday no, yes, Tuesday sale was less than 200, that is 100, and Wednesday no, Thursday no, Friday we know क्योंकि क्या है sale was 200, we will have to find less than 200. Okay, and Saturday yes, because 150 is less than 200. Okay, and Sunday no. So how many days sale was less than 200? 1 2, only 2, Tuesday and Saturday. Okay, so 2 is in option D. So option D is the right option for question number 3. Now our next question is question number 4. The following bar graph shows the favorite subjects of students of grade 4: Hindi, mathematics, English, science. Okay, so in question number 4, how many less students like Hindi than mathematics? Okay, so in this question, first of all we will find the number of students like science, that is equal to 15, and number of students like English, that is equal to 5, and number of students like maths, that is equal to 20, and number of students like Hindi, that is equal to 10. Okay, now number of students like Hindi is equal to 10 and number of students like maths is equal to 20. अभी हमने फाइंड आउट किया ना, हिंदी 10 एंड मैथमेटिक्स 20. Okay, so number of less students like Hindi then maths is equal to क्या होगा 20 minus 10, that is equal to 10, means it means 10 less students like Hindi than maths. Okay, so 10 is in option C. So option C is the right option for question number 4. Now next question is question number 5. What is the fractions of number of students who like English to the total number of students? Okay, so in this question we will have to find fractions. किसका fractions हमें find out करना है? English to the total number of students. So in this question, first of all we will find the number of students like English, then total number of students, then we will find required fractions. Okay, so number of students like English is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, like English 5. okay, 5. so number of students like English 5 and total number of students क्या होगा, हिंदी 10, मैथ्स 20, English 5 and science 15. okay, so 10, first of all 10, then 20, then 5. total number of students is equal to 10 plus 20 plus 5 plus 15, that is equal to 50. okay, so required fractions is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, number of students like English that is 5 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट दैट इज़ 50. एंड इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में हम 5 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. ओके, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/10. सो आवर राइट आंसर इज 1/10. सो 1/10 इज इन ऑप्शन बी. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5.